So friends, this series is specially made for the bank exam aspirants, those who are going for the mains exam like SBI PO mains, IBBS mains, RBI mains. So for those students as well as for students those who are preparing for the CAT exams, so this series is specially made for you. And second, importantly, after watching this video, do not forget to take the test. So test is more and more important. So on the website or else on the mobile application, you can able to see inside quantitative aptitude. So below the data interpretation mains level, so now you can able to see quantitative aptitude mains. So there inside it, after posting every topic, we will give you a test. At the end of the video, every video, I will be telling you how the test works and how many questions I have given the test. So based upon that, the test will be added on the package. So do not forget to write the test after watching the video. So now let me move on to the mains level series on quantitative aptitude. First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, here is the fourth video on problems on ages, that is on quantitative aptitude main series. And this will be the last video for the topic problems on ages. So totally we have seen 4 videos, and similarly the next video will be on time and work. So I will be posting 4 videos on time and work for main series. So similarly I will be continuing all the remaining quantitative aptitude topics, right? So now let me move. I hope you have taken the test. So kindly watch the video number 1 first and then write the test, video number 2 and then write the test. So similarly, after watching every mains video, after watching the video, do not forget to take the test. After posting a video, I am updating the test. So every new test will be added after uploading a video. So do not forget to take the test on the aptitude reasoning session. So now let me move on to the next set of question on main series on this video. So first question. So the ratio between the present age of daughter and the son is 4:5, and the present age of father is 32 years more than the age of the daughter. So the age of the father 4 years more than the mother. So the ratio between the present age of mother and the age of the son after 9 years is 4:3. So the difference between the average age of father and mother and average age of son and daughter. So when just see here, again, I think there is no direct clue has been given in the question. Everything is based on a ratio value and 9 years, 12 years, 32 years, etc. So first, let's understand what we need to find here. So totally there are 4 persons. So father, mother, son and a daughter. So we need to find average for father and mother and average for son and daughter, and we need to find the difference here. So this is our target, final target. So here when we look at the first point of the question, so similarly we can try to frame an equation, or else based upon the question we can solve it slowly and we can find one person age, right? X value by, because ratio has been given. If ratio value has been given, we can easily equate any 2 person ages and we can find what is the value of X. So once you find the value of X, we can able to find 1 person age. If you find 1 person age in the question, so finding the remaining all the 4 person will be easy. So let's target out to find one value, that is X. So what is the first point here? So ratio between the present age of daughter and the son is 4:5. So daughter and the son, the age ratio has been given, which is 4:5. So let's assume that 4x and 5x, right, is the age of daughter and the son. So now this has been the present age, right? That's important. So present age of daughter and the son has been given, first point. So what about the second point? So present age of father 32 years more than the age of a daughter. Just see, present age of a father. So present age of a father is 32 years more than the age of a daughter. We already fixed the daughter age as 4x. So father present age will be 4x plus 32, right? So P represents the present age. While practicing, practice like this. Why? Because problems on ages question, mostly we will make a mistake only because of present, past and the future. After finding a value, you should fix that this is present age or a future age or a past age, right? So once you fix that value correctly, solving equating question will be very easy. So now, third point. So this will be the present age of the father. So now, age of a father is 4 years more than the age of a mother. So just here, age of a father is 4 years more than the age of a mother. So mother age or father age, what we can do is father age is 4 years more than the age of the mother. That means mother age plus 4 will be the age of the father, and we already know that father age will be 4x plus 32. So substitute here. So 4x plus 32 is equals to mother plus 4. So mother is equals to 4x plus 28. So this will be the age of the mother. So now we found age of the mother, we found the age of the father, and the daughter age and the son age. So every value we found. Now our target, only target is to find the value of x here. So now what is the next? Similarly, what are the remaining points they have given? Ratio between the present age of mother and the son after 9 years, where the ratio is 4:3. So just look at the point carefully. Ratio between, they have given a ratio 4:3. So that ratio 4:3 is what? Present age of the mother. So present age of the mother is how much? 4x plus 28. Present age of a mother to the son age after 9 years. Son age is how much? 5x after 9 years. That means 5x plus 9 is equals to the ratio what they have given is 4:3. That means 4 divided by 3. So now after solving this, we will get what is the value of x. So once you find the value of x, substitute any of the area, we can exactly find what is the age of the person. So now let's simplify it. So 12x plus 8 3s are 24 to 684 is equals to, so 20x plus 36. So now this will be 8x 48, right? So 8 6 are 48. So x is equals to 6. So finally we got the value of x is equals to 6. Just now I have told you, if you find one value, then finding all the remaining value is easy. Why? Because we got x is equals to 6. That means what is the daughter age here? So 4x. 6 4s are 24. So 24 is the daughter age. What about son? 5x. So 6 5s are 30. So 30 will be the son age. 24 will be the daughter age. What about the father age? So substitute 6 here. So 6 4s are 24. So 24 plus 32. So 24 plus 32. Resultant will be 76. 76 will be the age of the father. So now what is the age of the mother here? 6 4s are 24. So 24 plus 28, which will be 52. So 52 will be the age of the mother. So finally we found all the person present age. So now what is our target? Our target is to find what is the present, just a moment, yes, average present age of father and the mother. So father and the mother average present age is, so 76 52. So this will be 6 plus 2 will be 8. So this will be 128, which is 54, right? So 54 will be the average age of father and the mother. So similarly we need to find for son and daughter. So son and daughter, son is how much here? 24 30, which is 54 divided by 2, that is 27. So 27 will be the age, average age of son and daughter. Average age of father and mother is 54. So now we need to find what is the difference here. So difference between both the values. So difference between both the values is 27, right? Is 27. So answer for this question is 27. I think it's an easy level question. So try to understand that. So these are the points are more important, right? How to find the present age of all the person. That is the only area usually students used to make a mistake, because once you find that present age for all the person, definitely we can equate at any point. So once you equate it, because the ratio value has been directly given. So remember one thing, the clues will be there in the question on average. If an average value has been given in the question, that will be the main clue, or else if the percentage value has been given, that can be one clue, or else any ratio value if they have given, that can be the clue. So by using these three important points in the question, you can easily frame and equate the equation. So now finally 27 is the answer for the first question. So here is the second question. So the ratio between the age of P 1 year ago and the Q is 4:5. So and the age of S 5 years ago is 75% more than the age of R after 5 years. So the ratio of the present age of Q and R is 2 is to 1. So the sum of the present age of P and S together is 65 years. Find the average age of P and R together. See, our target here is to find what is the average age of P and R. So, but when you look at the question carefully, totally how many persons are there? There are 4 persons. So P, Q, R and S. And there are two important points. Once you read the question carefully, you can able to see there are two important points here. One is they have given one person age is 75 more than the other person. So by using that, you can easily write one ratio value, because once you consider one person age as 100%, another person age will be 175. So by using that value, you can easily find what is the ratio of ages of both the person. One thing. And second, importantly, you can able to see the sum of the present age of P and S together is 65. So they have given the sum, addition of 2 person ages, total is equals to 65. I think by using a percentage value as well as by using the previous point from the last, you can see the one line before it, you can able to see there are sum of the present age of P and S. So I think we can easily frame one equation there, and by using a percentage value we can frame one equation. I think we can solve the question easily. So now, getting into the first line of the question. So the ratio between the age of P 1 year ago and Q is 4 is to 5. So they have given 2% age, that is P is to Q, which is 4 is to 5. So they have given the age as 4 is to 5. So now let's consider the P age as 4x and the Q age as 5x. So now be careful, this is not the present age of both the person, because what they have said in the question is the ratio between the age of P 1 year ago. So P 1 year ago, that means they are talking about the past. So past ratio age has been given. So now we can say that the P present ratio age will be 4x plus 1. So friends, understood or not? So they have given 1 year ago, that means they are talking about the past age. So bring the age P to the present, so 4x plus 1, that will be the present age of P. And what about the Q? Q has been directly given, so Q present age will be 5x. Friends, understood or not? So now we brought both the person age of P and the Q to the present year. So next point of the question. So age of S 5 years ago is 75% more than the age of R, that is after 5 years. For 5 years ago and after 5 years for 2 person has been given. One is for S and the second is for R. So just look at the question carefully, S and R, where S is 75% more. So once you consider the R as 100%, then S will be 175%, right? So once you cancel this on 25 table, so this will be 4 times. This will be 7 times. So now we can take the age of S as 7y. So 7y will be the age of S, R age as 4y. So friends, understood or not? And be careful here. So this 7y and 4y is not their present age. Why? Because they have mentioned that age of S 5 years ago. So age of S 5 years ago. So bring them to the present. So present age of S will be 7y plus 5. So now this will be the present age of S. So similarly, present age of R. So this value what they have given is for 5 years after. After 5 years, these 2 percentage value has been given. So this R value what they are telling is for after 5 years. So bring the R age to the present, so minus of 5. That means 4y minus of 5. So now we bought the present age of S and R, and we bought the present age of P and Q. So I think here you can able to see both the values are X, both the values are Y. Somewhere we can equate and we can find what is the value of X and Y. Okay, let me move on to the remaining points here. Still many points are there in the question. So just see the next point. The ratio of the present age of Q and R is 2 is to 1. So they have given the ratio of Q and R. So Q is how much? 5x. R is how much? 4y minus of 5. So what is the ratio what they have given is 2 is to 1, that is 2 by 1. So now we can simplify it. This will be 5x. So this will be 8y. So 5 into 2 will be 10. So this can be written as 5x minus of 8y is equals to minus of 10. So now let's We consider this as equation number 1. So similarly, we can move on to the next equation. The equation is what? And just now I have told you, right, that point is most important. Sum of the present age of P and S together is 65. So P and S together, right? So P and S together, sum of their ages. So P and S together, sum of their ages is equals to how much? 65. So P is how much here? 4x plus 1. And S is how much here? 7y plus 5 is equals to 65. So now 4x and 7y. So 4x plus 7y plus 6 is equals to 65. So 4x plus 7y is equals to 59. So finally, we got the second equation, that is 4x plus 7y is equals to 59. So now it is easy to solve both the equation and to get the value of x and y. Because just now I have told you, while reading the question itself, there are two clues which is included in the question. One clue is the percentage value, and the second clue, this value P and S. Because these are the direct statement, right? So these are not the direct statements. But when you look at this point, the total age of P and S is 65. It's a direct point. So once you read the question properly, and if you practice more, you can surely get the direct value, which point they have given a direct value. So here they have given a direct sentence. So by using that, we have framed one equation. So here they have given one percentage value. By using that, we framed another equation. So now our target to solve this question. That is, we need to solve the equation. That's it. So what we can do here is, we can multiply this by 4 and we can multiply this by 5 in order to cancel the value, right? So once you multiply the first equation, so let's multiply the first equation by 4. So 5 4s are 20x. So 20x 32y is equals to minus of 40. So multiply the second equation by 5. So this will be 20x multiply by 5. 7 5s are 35. So plus 35y is equals to multiply by 5. This will be 9 5s are 45, remaining will be 4. So 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 4 will be 29. So now minus minus minus, and we can cancel both the value. So resultant will be minus of 67 is equals to minus of, again here also we have minus, right? So this will be 335. So y is equals to, I think 7 6 5s are 30. So I think we can say that y is equals to 5, right? 7 5s are 35, remaining will be 3. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 3. So y is equals to 5. So friends, finally we got the value of y equal to 5. So substitute y on any of the equation to get these two percentages. And similarly, substitute value of y in any one equation here, we will get what is the value of x. So y is equals to 5, right? So we can substitute any one of the equations, so we can substitute here. So once you substitute y is equal to 5, so this will be 5x minus of 40 is equals to minus of 10. So 5x is equals to 30. So x is equals to 8. So finally we got both the percentages, that is x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 5. So now according to the question, what is our target is? We need to find the average age of P and R together, right? So P and R is enough. So P is 4x plus 1 and R is how much? 4y minus 5. So 4x plus 1, that means x is equals to 6 here. So 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1 will be 25. So plus R. So R, y is equals to 5. So 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 5 will be 15. So this will be 15. So 40. So 40 divided by 2, which is 20. So finally we can say that answer for the question, the average, which is 20 years. So this will be the answer for this question, right? So very interesting. That's what I have said it for the past 3 videos, and even in this video I am saying we have problems on ages. We don't have any formulas, right? None of the formulas are there to solve the question by using a formula. So, and most importantly, the logic. If you understand the logic of the question, solving any difficult level question is easy on the topic problems on ages. Just you have to understand whatever the age has been given, make sure to bring all the person age to the present. that will be the basic thing in all the question. Bring all the person ages to the present and then look at the question carefully. What are all the clues they have given in the question? By using the clue, how we can equate it. So once you equate the question or equate the two values what they have given in the question, or either in a value of x or x and y, so just when you equate it, you will definitely get one value. So after finding one value, one person, exact person ages, finding all the remaining will be easy. So practice more number of question. And here I have solved 2 questions. So now I will give you 3 questions as a test. So totally I have given 4 tests on the problems on ages, right? So first 4 tests, and from next video will be on time and work. So I plan for time and work 4 video. So time and work, similarly I will be teaching you like this mains level question, and then I will be giving you a test also. So do not forget to take the test. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and practice more, practice like this, be very slow and steady while practicing, because speed is not at all important here. You have to understand each and every value what they have given in the question, and then solving a question and getting the final answer is the most important target in the mains exam. So be very slow, practice very slow. Definitely you can able to crack any of the mains competitive exams. Even though the exam is very difficult, surely you can able to crack it when you practice like this. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much. Bye.